In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Frigidaire Nugget Ice Maker light not working, LED control board and reset. Fix 1. Check power supply. Ensure that your ice maker is properly plugged in. Try using a different wall socket. Check if other light or button on a device are functioning. If there are no lights at all, it may indicate a power or control board issue. Fix 2. Turn on the light manually. Locate the light button on the control panel. You just have to press once to turn on the light and press the button again to toggle the light off. Fix 3. Wake the display. Some model turn off the light automatically after inactivate. You have to press any button to wake it up. Backlight may turn off after 30 seconds to save energy. Fix 4. Reset the ice maker. First of all, you just have to turn off the ice maker machine completely and unplug it from its power outlet. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and restart. This clear minor glitches. Fix 5. Clean the control panel. For that also you have to turn off and unplug the unit. Then wipe the control panel with a dry cloth. Remove any moisture, dirt or scale built up. Dirt and moisture can prevent buttons and light from responding. Fix 6. Check the internal issue. Loose internal wiring may cause the light malfunction. A faulty LED light can lead to lighting issue. A defected control board also causes the issue. If the machine operates but the light does not, the problem is likely with the light or panel. So doing all this stuff will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.